Oh, hey guys, I haven't made a video on this channel in a while. Only because I really haven't been going anywhere. I've been staying local. Yeah, trying to keep my fuel bill down and stuff. And now it's, well, it's been raining, yeah. It's been raining like every week. So we just had rain yesterday, really good. Now it's sunny today. It was nice. But this is what I've been doing. I've been working on this Bronco here. I bought it as a fixer-upper, so I fixed a lot of things on it. And I need to get out and drive it around a bit with the for sale sign, so that's why I'm driving it today. And I also wanted to see what else I need to take care of. Like there's something squeaking or rattling on that passenger side that I didn't realize, you know. And I think there might be an issue with that door, so I'm going to take the door panel off. And the mirror's loose. So. But I was busy doing other things this morning. But I need to get out of the house, so this is what I've been doing. I just come up to the park here. It's a nice place to go for a walk. Put my headphones on. Listen to some kind of a meditation stuff, you know. And just to kill time. There are some strange people sometimes walking around in the park here. Yeah. Where's that guy gone? He's wearing a turban. But yeah, see how nice the park is? Now I can walk down the park. I think maybe I'll walk down the park. And I've come up last week a couple times, but since it was raining and cold, you know, I had my shoes on, of course. Today it's dried up. It's a little cool, but I'll tell you what, it's more enjoyable barefoot than it is putting shoes on. I don't know why, but I just like walking around out here barefoot. Yeah, it's like that, right? So it's Thursday, I think, December 5th already. So most of the time I come up here, I take the equestrian trails that go hiking through the park. This goes around the perimeter, around the outside. Or you can go all the way up the hills. That's a good 2-hour hike, but I just want to get out for a little bit. I don't know how muddy the trail is. Right here it's pretty dry. It's because it drains real good here, but I think maybe I'll walk down the middle of the park and then come back this way, depending what it looks like. Know what I mean? I should have brought some water though. Alright guys, so it took me a while to get going because I got stopped. As soon as I got out of my truck, some guy pulls up and he wants to ask me questions about the Bronco, which is good. But it was a little communication problem there though. Miscommunication, you know, lost in translation kind of thing. Yeah, so the guy pulls up next to me and he's driving a minivan, right? Some kind of minivan. But it's all packed up. It's all packed up like he's living out of it. I mean, I'm like, are you traveling or what, you know? Like I said, there was a communication gap there, language. And so in broken English, you know, he starts showing me his van and how it's all packed up and he's got He's running 2 batteries. He's got a fridge in there, and he's got a bed, and got all kinds of stuff on the roof. He's got a roof rack, and I go, wow. So I really didn't understand too much of what he was telling me, but it's like, oh well, you know, you always meet, never know who you're going to meet out and about. Look how dry the creek bed is, considering all the rain we got. Yeah, so anyway, it took me a while to get going there. I was like, I had to break away, you know. Hey, all right, man, see you later. I got to go for a hike. Oh well, hope he's not still there when I get back. Well, this is the end of the park here. This is where the equestrian area is. So, but the trails go up that way. But this is where I'm going to double back here. We'll see how muddy it is. Seems pretty dry. Get back before it gets dark, huh? So this isn't too bad. This soil around here is clay, and when it dries it gets kind of hard, but right now it's nice and soft because it's damp. It's really nice to walk on. In the summertime it'll dry up, crack, and get crumbly, and then by the end of the summer it's down to a powder, really dusty, but right now it's awesome. I like it. That's my footprint right there. Here's another one, dog prints. I get a kick out of being out here barefoot. It's just, I don't know, it's an experience. What could be more natural, right? Hot, sweaty shoe, or just out here feeling the ground? It's an experience. So now that I'm up out of the park, I can speak a little freer. Yeah, so this guy pulls up. Seems to be interested in the Bronco, I don't know. I mean, he had a bunch of stuff on his minivan there, like he was traveling or something. But then he was showing me his van inside and how he has it wired and everything, and sleeping arrangement. And I go, man, is he living out of there? Or is that just set up for camping? He didn't speak a whole lot of English, so it was like, I'm trying to figure out what he's talking about, right? So anyway, I could only take so much of that. I said, hey man, I gotta go. Yeah. I want to get out here before it gets dark. And see, the mud isn't too bad. This is muddy. It's just soft clay. Maybe he's one of those rich Chinese with all kinds of cash. He's looking for something that's okay by me. Want to buy a Bronco, right? It's better than that van he's driving. We'll see. Hopefully he's gone by the time I get back there. Who knows what he's up to? Goes the sun. Sun's barely starting to break over the hill there. Run into a little mud back there, but no big deal. It's all part of the experience. The snow level wasn't as low as last week. But this is great being outside. Perfect. It's cool, it's not cold. So it's perfect to walk, and I'm listening to some positive meditation thing. Back in the park. Okay, yeah. Look at the lady dancing in the park. In the mornings, there's usually a whole group of women out there dancing, exercising, line dancing, I think. Sometimes there's it's like somebody playing a horn up here. Sometimes there's a guy playing a flute. Always something interesting. Let's see. I think the guy's still there. Oh no, he's gone. Whew. was worried about him being a stalker or something, Stalker! Anyway, that's it, guys. Go home, edit this video, and heck, yeah, want to buy a Bronco? Oh shoot, right now I got a few more things to do to it, but I think I'm going to sell it for about $8,000. Yeah. I mean, where else are you going to get a nice 4x4 like that for $8,000? I don't even think you can get one of those side-by-sides for $8,000. I think they're more like $16,000 and up. This, at least you can drive on the highway. Buy a side-by-side, you got to buy a trailer or a truck or something to haul it around, and only use it on holidays, right? So anyway, let's get out of here. Oh well. Take a little park home with me, right? Well, that's it for my day. I'm gonna go home, grab me a couple of beers on the way home, and that's it.